My dear NatSat aspirants, my brothers and sisters, and my dear students, I heartily welcome all of you. Dear students, well begun is half done. I tell you that. Yes, I'm Mr. Dhanaya sir from Akkalkot. I heartily welcome all of you for my today's session. I know that you are preparing for NET exam and SET exam. Paper number 1 plays very important role. It is the duty of student. It is the first duty of student. It is the priority function of student. It is the main function of student to prepare subject well in advance. Well begun is half done. Prepare it in a very systematic way. Then definitely you will get the success. Now I tell you that paper number 1 plays very important role, and you should score good mark in paper number 1. Unit number 1, teaching aptitude. In this unit, the subtopic is methods of teaching in institution of higher learning. There are 2 types of teaching method. One is student centered teaching method, another one is teacher centered teaching method. Now I am focusing on student centered teaching methodology. Already earlier video I completed heuristic teaching method, project method, discussion method. That discussion method our Chinnu has participated, and that was my 100th video. My Chinnu made century. Thank you, Chinnu. Again she is standing in front of my camera. She is the director and cameraman. Now I am focusing on problem solving method. What is problem solving method? See that each and every student, each and every person is facing problem in his day-to-day life. Even students are facing problems in school. Students are facing problems in outside. Students are facing problem in home also. Now, problem solving method means what? When the teacher entered in the classroom, teacher is purposefully, he is giving one problems to the student, and the teacher is asking students to solve the problem. Teacher is telling everyone, solve this problem using your own creativity, using your own logic, using your own knowledge, using your own skills, using your own background. Use it, whatever it may be, and solve the problems. And this problem will help the student to think. This problem will help the student to use his creativity thought. So friends, students are learning the concept by solving it. Students are understanding the meaning of concept by solving this problem. Okay. Now, this method, problem solving method, this method was first time used by George Polya. George Polya. This man was a Hungarian. Hungary is a name of country. It comes in the middle of Europe continent, near England, near Austria, near Germany. This country comes. Hungarian. This man, who Georgia Polya, he wrote one book, how to solve. In 1945, in this book, he introduced this term, problem solving method. This is a question asked in the NET exam. Again, this question was asked in the Karnataka SET exam also. Yes? That's very good, very good. Complete your homework. Problem solving method in this book, how to solve it in this book, George Polya. Now, George Polya was shifted to America, okay, in latter his days. This man, who George Polya, introduced this term in mathematics field. Because Giorgio Polya was a mathematician, and this method was based on the idea of John Dewey's reflective thinking. Reflective thinking. There are three. Reflective thinking means we study the subject, we understand it, and we are using that knowledge in day-to-day life. We are reflecting our knowledge. We are using our knowledge. In this activity, students are using their knowledge, students are using their experience, students are using their skills, students are using their attitude, and students are solving the problems. Again, it was a question. Problem solving method is based on John Dewey's dash dash idea, reflective thinking idea. And in this book, George Polya used 4 special terms. This SPS, simple problem solving. There are 2 types of problems. One is simple. Initially, we give simple problems to the student. Simple solving problem. What is 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4?
8.
Yes. 5 plus 5?
10.
10. Okay. One day what happened to our Chinnu? I had given 2 pencils to my Chinnu. Two pencil. And I asked my Chinnu, how many pencil you have? And she is telling me, I have 4. Again I asked her the question. Suppose I had given you, now I am going to give you 2 pencils. And your mother is going to give you 2 pencils. Your mother gave you 2 pencils, I gave you 2 pencils. Then how many pencils do you have? And Chinnu is saying, I have 6 pencils. I got confused. How you are telling 6? 2 plus 2, 4. But she is telling 2 plus 2, 6. She is telling. I was getting confusion. I am telling that. And now I give you only 2 pencils. Your mother has given you 2 pencils. Then how many pencils do you have? And she is telling 6. Then I got angry. You know how it is possible? And she is, and she is telling. And yes, please tell her. Yes, please. Okay. And she is telling that already I have the 2 pencils in my box. I have 2 pencils in my box. And you have given 2 pencils. And mother have given 2 pencils. Mother 2 pencils, father 2 pencils, and my 2 pencils. How many pencils? 6 pencils. Oh my God. In such a way, she is new answer she is giving. See, this is the logical student. But we think in one way and students are thinking in another way. Got it? So, simple problem solving. And second one is CPS, complex problem solving. Complex, little bit hard questions. Complex problem solving. And again there are 2 terms. PBL, problem based learning. Please remember the term. Problem based learning. And TTP, teaching through problem solving. Again there was a question in the NET exam in 2019. What was the question? 18 December. What was the question? Problem solving method. In this method, George Polya has used how many steps? How many steps are used in problem solving method? Please remember the number 4. There are 4 steps. There are 4 steps in problem solving method. The first one is identifying the problem or understanding the problem. Second one is devise a problem. Translate the problem in your own way, in your own understanding. And third one is carry out, solve the problem. And fourth one, look back, check your answer whether it is correct or wrong. So these are the 4 steps George Polya was used in problem solving method. So please remember this point. Definitely will get 2 marks. Thank you so much. Namaste. Complete.